welcome back to day number 2 of what I eat in the day on a high carb, low fat, vegan diet. I'm feeling pretty good right now. Have a lot of stuff to do today. Be getting ready for tomorrow. We're having a vegan barbecue with my parents and a couple family members, and getting ready for that. So be really busy today, but I will show you guys what I eat and maybe a little bit of a vlog too. Depends. So anyway, I'll get ready to start on breakfast, and let me show you guys what I'm having. So for breakfast, I'm having some Raisin Bran with some almond milk. I probably have 2 bowls because this is a really small bowl. And here is bowl number 2. And then I'm having some sip lemon ginger soda. I'm in the process of giving soda up, and this is really good. It's kind of like flavored water, so with a little bit of sugar. So we're heading in here to Saga Sushi Buffet. It is an all-you-can-eat sushi buffet. Okay, so here we have some mung beans, a little tiny salad, and some watermelon. And then here is the sushi, avocado cucumber, and a bunch of different veggies. And I'm also splitting this with my husband too. So for dessert, it has some more watermelon, some mangoes, and a little tiny piece of cantaloupe. And then kind of for a snack, I had some pizza that's left over from a couple days ago. So here I have some chow cheese. It's from Domino's, some chow cheese, and then some veggies beneath. So here is supper for tonight. I'm having some white rice with some Beyond Meat chicken strips with a little bit of Thai spicy peanut sauce. Really good.